Hey guys, so if you create social media content, you might have seen InStories, an app promising professional level video editing and templates for Instagram, TikTok and more. I tested it to see if it's worth using. Here's my experience. So firstly, my friends, ease of use. The app is beginner friendly with a clean interface. Pre-made templates make it easy to create high quality posts in minutes. Editing tools are intuitive with drag and drop features. Now, features and customization. It offers animated text, transitions, and music integrations. AI-powered tools for automatic resizing and background removal. Allows exporting in high resolution, but some features require a premium subscription. Now let us talk about pricings and limitations. The free version has limited templates and watermarks on exports. The premium plan unlocks all features, but it's subscription-based. And no desktop version, making it mobile only. So in terms of my general experience, I would say the pros are great for quick, professional-looking videos, no editing skills needed. Cons, it's expensive and no desktop support, and limited free features. Overall, InStories is a great for social media creators who need fast, polished content. But the free version is limited and the premium cost may not be for everyone. Have you tried it? Let me know in the comments. And guys, thanks for watching as always. See you next time.